Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel IB All Designing Developer. Like in the previous videos, we have just done many of the things related to Java, and I hope you understand that all the things which we have done yet. And we are also doing the React 18 series. Like you all know that we have covered up many of the videos related to React 18. So in the previous video, we have covered up the Java project, and I hope you understand that project of Java. So today we are working with React 18, and today I will be telling you how you can build an amazing project using React 18, and this project will be also really helpful. So if you understand this video, remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, and also share this video. So now we'll be starting with our video and seeing that moving forward what project we are building using React 18 from start to end. So just like I'm telling you, we'll be just working with our project here, and today, like I'm starting, I'm telling you, we'll be working with React 18, and today I will be telling you a different tag using React 18. So now we'll be starting with our video. So for doing that, I will be making a new window, and then I will be just making it full screen and closing the previous window which I'm having here. Then I will be now opening my folder which is on local disk E. Like you all know that I work on the folder app1. So I will be opening this folder directly from my local disk C. Then I will be running it by writing the command npm start, because when we want to run React 18 or React app, so we have to write this command to run that. Then I will be moving to my folder. These are the previous things which we have done here. So I will be now moving on to my main file which is app.js. So I'll be raising all codes from here, because in the previous video we have learned about classes and IDs, and the codes of that is written here. So from here I will be raising this, and from here as well. You can see I've erased all the things which I want to erase here. Now I will be saving and moving on to app.css. From here also I'll be erasing this thing, but only we have to not erase this font URL, because we will be needing it when we have to change the font here. Now you can change the title also, because we are not working with classes here. We are working with different things now today. So today we are just now working on like how you can just work with JavaScript in React. Means we'll be working with the JavaScript codes in that. So today our title will be of like JavaScript in React. So today I will be telling you how you can work with JavaScript when you are working with React 18 here. So today our topic is this JavaScript and React 18. So I will be closing this file. You can see now our file has been opened here, and it is saying that compiled successfully. If I reload, so our title will be changing. You can see here it is changed. Now it is saying compiled successfully. You can now view your browser in your localhost 3000. So it is running on my default Microsoft Edge browser. I will be doing it side by side. Then I will be making this coding side bigger here, so I'll be making it side by side again. You can see now it is done. So here I will be writing any code, so it will be showing me at the right side here. Now I'll be pressing Ctrl B to close the side panel here. So I will be now pressing Ctrl B. You can see now side panel has been closed. So now I've just changed the title to JavaScript and React 18, because today I will be telling you that how you can work with JavaScript when you are working with React 18. So when we were working with HTML and the CSS project, so I've telling you how you have to check JavaScript. You have to move to inspect, and after moving the inspect you have to move to console. After moving to console, here you can just check your JavaScript codes which you are writing here. So like this I will be telling you that how you can use the JavaScript in React. So here if you move in this code, if I write here like console.log, and in console.log I will be now just writing here directly this is JavaScript. If I write this, means in first letter should be capital, so I'll be writing here this is JavaScript. And if I write this tag here, and if I close this bracket, and if I press enter, you can see now it is showing me the tag this is JavaScript. Means this console.log tag is working of JavaScript here. So like this you can just use JavaScript in React. So if you write different tag here, like if I use alert tag here, not the alert tag, if I use console.assert tag here, and in this assert if I write nothing and press enter, you can see now it is saying that assertion fail, because in the console.assert tag we have written nothing. So like this we can just use this console.tags, and I hope you understand that how we are just working with JavaScript in React. So you can use this JavaScript in console tag. Means in the console tab, when you can just you have to press right click in the inspect, or you can directly press F12 to move to your development server, and from here you can just work on JavaScript. So like this we can work on JavaScript in React 18. So I will be now giving it the title of like JavaScript. So I will be now writing here this is JavaScript. Save it. Now you can see we are getting here the title of this is JavaScript written. Now when you will be writing the JavaScript codes, it will be running here. Like if I write console.count, and in console.count if I write here like number any, so if I write this number, press enter, you can see it is showing me console.count, and it is showing me 2:1. Means it is telling me that the ratio of 2 is 1 here. So it is telling me the ratio of my console.count tag. So like this, we can just use these all tags here. Now, if I show you, if we want to clear these all stuff, so you can just use console.clear tag to clear these all things here. So for doing that, but before that, I want to show you console.error tag, from which you can make the error here. Means if you want that, you should be getting error to check it is working or not. So you can make the console.error tag here. So for making that tag, you have to write here console.error, and then you have to open and close this bracket and press it directly enter. You can see it is saying undefined. Now in console.error, you can write anything here. Like if I want to like warning error like this, if I write this, and then if I now close this bracket here, now I will be moving, press enter. You can see now it is showing me error, and it is showing me the same tags in which I have written in my tag. You can see warning error it is showing me, and it is showing anonymous, and it is showing the line where I am having the error, because I have used the console.error tag, and because of that my browser is showing error here. So like this, we can just use these error tags here in our browser when we are working with JavaScript. So if you want to erase these all stuff, so we can just use console.clear tag. So you can write here console.clear, make open and close bracket and press enter. You can see all the things has been cleared from here, and it is saying me that console was cleared, means my console has been cleared here. Now if you want to print any of the like pop-up menu, so for doing that you have to use the console.alert tag. So I will be now using here console.alert, and after using this, you have to just now write here this warning JavaScript is included. So I will be now writing this tag, then then close this menu, press enter. You can see it is saying me type error, because we have written console.alert. We have to only write alert tag, then we have to write same text here like warning. So I will be writing here warning JavaScript is included. Now if I just press this close menu, and if I now press enter, so we will be not getting any of the error, and we will be getting our pop-up menu. You can see now we are getting the pop-up menu. Localhost 3000 says warning JavaScript is included. So when you will be reloading it, you will be again and again getting this thing. So if I reload it here, so you will be just now, you can see it has been removed. So if I write alert tag again with the same conditional loading message here, like I will be now writing this warning JavaScript is included, enter. You can see it is showing me the same text here, warning JavaScript is included. So like this you can just use. So if you press enter again, you will be showing that, but we are just using JavaScript in the browser, because of that it will be not showing me, and all the tags will be removing from here. So like this we can use JavaScript in React 18. I hope you understand how we can use JavaScript in React 18, and I hope you enjoy this video, which was the simple and it was the informative video. But in this video I have not built any of the project, because in this video I just want to tell you that how you can use JavaScript when you are working with React 18. So if you have enjoyed, understand this video, so remember to hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build these amazing projects. And remember to check out my all the previous videos which I have covered up, because that will giving you help if you want to learn these amazing projects, and if you want to build these amazing projects using many different languages. So just I'll be with you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorial using these all amazing languages. So for today, goodbye.